खरें म्हणजे आम्ही शुक्रार दीस डिसिजन घेतले की गोंय विधानसभेच्या ह्या हॉलात आम्ही विधानसभा कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल डे सेलिब्रेट करप आनी ह्याच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याचेर प्रमुख वक्ते म्हणून आमकां लंडे डेजी लवंदे हांगासर हाजीर आसात. आमचे लेजिस्लेचरचे सेक्रेटरी सुबेदार आसात. त्याच बरोबर लेजिस्लेचर फोरमचे वायस प्रेसिडेंट सेक्रेटरी तांचे मेंबर्स हांगासर हजर आसात. आमच्या ह्या फाटी फक्त उद्देश एकूच आसा, मुद्दाम म्हणून सांगता की बरेचशे फावटी कॉन्स्टिट्युशनची फायनली केली वता किंवा कॉन्स्टिट्युशन फॉलो केलें वचना अशें बऱ्याच जाणां कडल्यान म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीन वेगवेगळ्या विशयाचेर उलयलें वता. आमचें म्हणणें आसा की ज्या विधिमंडळ आनी ज्या आमी एसेंब्लीत हो कार्यक्रम घडोवन हाडटा पद्मनाभ हांणी सांगले त्या प्रमाणे म्हणजे लोकशायेच्या पद्दतीन जर आमी पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार सर्वोच्च स्थान आशिल्लें विधानसभा आनी ज्या विधानसभेक गोंयंतल्यान 40 आमदार निवडून येतात आनी ज्या 40 आमदाराच्या ज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युशनान स्टेटीत काही बदल करपाचे आसात, स्टेटीत काही अमेंडमेंट करपाचे आसात, स्टेटीत काही सजेशन्स घेवपाचे आसात जाल्यार त्यो सजेशन्स त्या अमेंडमेंट ह्या एसेंब्लीत डिस्कशन्स केले वता. तितून काही म्हणजे आमकां जे जे लॉज आमी जर कंपॅरिजन करीत जाल्यार मुद्दाम म्हणून मेन्शन करता कंपॅरिजन वीथ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्युशन. In Goa, we have there is some separate laws. I mean, marriage registration is compulsory in Goa. प्रत्येक फावटी वता तर सांगता की बाकीच्या स्टेटींनी मॅरेज रजिस्ट्रेशन कशें पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार कंपल्सरी ना.
It's not as the secretary said that we borrowed constitution from various countries. I must say I disagree with him. We might have taken inspiration from various constitutions to frame our constitution, but certainly we have not borrowed the constitution from other countries. We have applied the constitution was prepared by the framers. It took almost 3 years to prepare this constitution. Then it was debated in the Constituent Assembly for almost more than a year, and thereafter the constitution was brought into force. What basically is the constitution? There is a difference between the constitution and other laws which are framed by the parliament. Other laws are framed by the parliament and the general citizen are bound to follow it. But there is a difference as far as constitution is concerned. Constitution is given by the people to themselves. That means they are the framers and they have themselves given it to them. So therefore that is the fundamental difference between the constitution and other laws which are in force. If India attained republic on 26th of January 1950, then what is this constitutional law day? Why do we celebrate constitutional law day on 26th of November? Now, the majority portion of the constitution was brought into force on 26th of January 1950. But certain articles of the constitution, namely Article 5 to 9 and Article 329, 369, 379, of course next article, certain articles are repealed thereafter, were brought into force on 26th of November 1949. Now, if this 26th of November 1949, if these articles were not brought into force, there was no possibility of bringing into force the other articles of the Constitution, because this forms the basis of our Constitution. So therefore, in short, we can say this day is a fundamental day in our Constitution. That is what we can say. And as far as our Republic is concerned, the foundation stone to become Republic on 26th of January 1950 was laid on 26th of November 1949, and that is how we became Republic on 26th of January 1950.